I said, meaning I gotta have a tag to drive. He said, yeah. I said, so I don't need a tag to travel. He just shook his head.
I want you to say it again.
Yeah, where y'all supervisor at? This is supervisor?
No, explain it to him.
Well, I want to speak to a supervisor. I don't want to. You the supervisor?
Sure. Tell him what you're saying.
Are you the supervisor?
Sure.
Can y'all get the supervisor, please?
You know the difference between a supervisor and a sergeant?
Well, can y'all get the sergeant? Get the highest level, please.
Okay. All right. Turn the car off, man. Thank you. Appreciate it.
So you said you are the supervisor? Because you know you can't lie to me now.
I'm a supervisor for him. Is there a law that says I can't lie to you? Where's the law that says I can't lie to you?
Do you know what willful and misleading information is? Criminal liability?
That's not what that is.
Do you understand what UCC is?
That's not what that is.
Do you understand what UCC?
That's not what that is.
Do you? What is UCC?
Is there a law that says I can't lie to you?
Yes, there is,
right,
sir.
okay,
so I'm gonna need your badge number. I'm gonna need.
1017 Pagoda, right?
I'm gonna need.
Everything's being recorded. Look, right here.
I know.
1, 2, 3,
I know.
4,
And
got
it
everything
says
recorded.
that you told me that
Pagoda
you.
1017. I'm his supervisor right now.
So he's your supervisor?
Yeah.
So why did you get him and ask him if you the highest?
Because I want you to explain it to him what you're telling me, because you are a what? A what?
You tell me what I am.
What are you saying that you are?
You tell. I didn't say it. I'm a law-abiding consumer. I didn't say anything.